Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and today I've got an interesting meal for you. It's tofu set in stew peas, all vegan. I encourage you guys to like my video, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so now. Share my channel with your friends, leave a comment, and of course, make sure your post notification bell is locked and loaded. Now, guys, I have cut my tofu in about 2 inches slices, guys, and then of course I season it and set aside. In my blender, guys, I have my peas. I put in some vegetables with that. Of course, I put some herbs and spices, some coconut milk, and I blend this until it is smooth. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. All creamy goodness, smell good, can done, guys. And of course, I'm going to go in with my tofu. So now, guys, my tofu done marinate in, of course, vegetable oil. I am going to fry my tofu until they are golden brown on all sides. Now, guys, this looks awesome. It's already smell inviting, and trust me, you're not gonna think about tofu the same way you've thought about it all this while. Now, guys, after that, in the same frying pan, I'm gonna add my onions. I'm gonna stir fry this, guys, until my onions become translucent, guys, soft to touch. Of course, I have in that some ginger and some garlic. I'm gonna add to that my peas sauce, guys. Boy, boy, yeah. It look good, can done. I've added to that half cup of water, guys. That's just to get out all the pea sauce into my pot, guys. And I allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, guys, I'm gonna add my tofu to my pea sauce. I'm gonna nice it up now, guys, with a little bit more herbs and spices. Now, guys, you don't know how Wims do it week after week. Always something nice, delicious, and of course interesting for you to try in your kitchen. So, guys, make I add some bell peppers in this. I got a little salt to taste, guys, and allow this to simmer down. Simmer down, of course, guys. It is all done, ready to dig in. Goodness, it is tofu served in pea sauce, that kidney bean sauce, guys. I'm just nice this up with a little bit of tomato, a little fresh bell pepper, guys, just for add to my presentation. It was my pleasure doing this for you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. A very extra warm, special welcome to my new subscribers. And if you're watching and haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. I'll see you next week, guys. Thanks again for watching.